Hey, what's up guys, hope that all of you are doing well. So there's a new update available for the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Also today in this video we will talk about the One UI 8.5 update for the Galaxy S25 series. So starting off with the first security update, so for that simply go into the settings of your device, then scroll all the way down and tap on software update, then tap on download and install. The last update that I got was on November 1st 2025 and now the latest update of December 1st 2025 security patch is available. If you talk about that, what's new available with this update, so it includes some security update with some bug fixes. If you talk about the update size, so the update size is around 500 MBs. First of all, you will have to download this update, then you will have to install it. As you can see, now it is downloading and installing, and once both are done, you will have to restart your device to complete the installation process. As you can see, it is almost done. Now you just have to restart your phone to finish the update. Also make sure to restart it when your device is completely free, as this might take a time, but in my case it didn't took that much time. And once your phone is free, simply tap on restart now, and this will take some several minutes and the update will be installed on your phone. And finally the phone is restarted, and now my device is on the latest December 1st 2025 security patch. Further, if we talk about the One UI 8.5 update, so finally the One UI 8.5 update for the Galaxy S25 series is now official. It is been released for the S25 series. These are the countries in which the One UI 8.5 beta version will be available. If you talk about devices, so it includes all the Galaxy S25 series, including the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus and the S25 Ultra. You can install it and enjoy all the beta version features. To install it, you just have to simply go into the Samsung Members app on your phone, and after going into the Samsung Members app, you will get to see a banner of the One UI 8.5 beta program. The banner might be available in top or in bottom. After tapping on that banner, you just have to apply for the One UI 8.5 beta program, and once you have applied, after some hours you will get to see the One UI 8.5 beta version update in the software update, and then you can install it. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was the new update available for the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the latest news regarding the One UI 8.5 beta program. If you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.